Hey guys, this is Brad with Car Mobile Detailing. Thanks for checking out this video. I went over to my best friend's house and did a ceramic coating on his 2021 Toyota Tundra. It was in really good shape anyway, but he helped me out a lot. He did the wheels and tires, did the 2-bucket wash, and I did the rest of it. But you can tell here that other than the wheel wells being a little dirty, just did the clean on it. Here he is. This is Dallas right here doing the tires and wheels with Brake Buster. So I'm starting the pre-rinse here to knock off any of the dirt that's on there before I foam it, but he loves this truck. I love it too. They just came out with a new Tundra, and it is a nice truck, but he's got the V8, and the new Tundras don't have that, and he pulls a boat. Needs all the power he can get, so instead of going out and getting the new truck, he just did some upgrades to this. He did a level kit, put new wheels and tires on it. He put airbags under the back for when he's towing his boat, and I'm glad he kept this. I love this color too. So the last step to it was to do a ceramic coating that'll protect the paint for at least 3 years using the Glidecoat Pro Auto.
I can feel it in my bones. I nothing to ask no. Got me looking like a clown. Tell me why we let us down. Tell me I'll be what I need. Can I do that? Got my need.
I'm doing the clay bar process here using Chemical Guys clay luber with their OG clay bar. And just like everything else, along with the iron remover, he takes really good care of his truck, so it didn't pull a whole lot off. Whenever you look at the clay bar, there's not a lot of contaminants in it, but anything that was on there you need to fully remove before you ceramic coat, or actually before you polish it, because you don't want to gum up your pads. You want everything off there as best you can. Here's Dallas blowing out the front grille. I don't know what he was doing. I guess he was I don't know. I don't know if he was waiting for the compressor to kick back on or what, but he was checking it out pretty intently.
Summer always let us down. Tell me I'll be what I eat. Can't help it, I got my needs. Close the curtain, kill the sounds. Summer always let us down. Hey, hey, dirty tricks, you got plenty of them. Hey, hey, mad kicks, come on, done and dozen. Hey, hey, blah, blah, then you walk away. And I turn to the pipes to forget your name. Like Lenny, I imagine that you like me. Like many, I know who I'm trying to be. I'm sure I was wrong, but so were you. So go off your high horse, shovel the goal. Feel it in my bones, anything to us some more. Got me looking like a clown. Summer always let us down. Tell me I'll be what I eat. Can't help it, I got my needs. Close the curtain, kill the sound. Summer always let us down.
So Glidecoat just came out with this brand new, it's a Pro Auto Ceramic coating. You have to be a certified installer to use this, but I love this stuff. It takes one coat as opposed to two, and you get the same or more protection from it just doing one coat with it. So it saves a lot of time. And you could probably get one bottle to get you through 2 average sized cars. I went through a whole bottle on this truck just because it's so big, but the gloss I was getting out of this, the removal, installation, everything was really good on this stuff. So I'm very happy with this new product from Glidecoat. Well, that just about wraps it up. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Big shout out to Dallas. Thank him for helping me to prep his truck and letting me ceramic coat it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And we'll see you on the next one.